Looking to upgrade your car's antenna without the hassle of rewiring? This factory radio to aftermarket antenna connector is designed specifically for select 1988 to 2005 Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and VW vehicles. It fits directly into your factory plug, making installation quick and straightforward. If you want a clean, reliable connection that keeps your sound crisp, this adapter delivers exactly that. I've seen firsthand how this little adapter solves a common problem. For example, one user with a 2003 Cadillac CTS, though not one of the listed brands, found the stock radio was German-made and perfectly compatible with this connector. After plugging in the aftermarket antenna, a bit of exposed metal was wrapped with electrical tape, eliminating any white noise. The result? A flawless connection and clear reception. This isn't just a guess, it's real feedback from drivers who've upgraded without fuss. What you get is a lightweight, 1-pound package that fits perfectly and performs reliably. No more struggling with mismatched connectors or poor signal quality. Whether you're replacing a worn-out antenna cable or upgrading your audio setup, this adapter ensures everything plugs in seamlessly. If you're ready to improve your car's radio reception with minimal effort, this connector is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a better sound on the road.